Hello everyone, and welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we've got an exciting product to talk about that's sure to add a touch of retro charm to your workspace. We're diving into the wireless keyboard by KOOTOP in this lovely pink color. Let's kick things off by talking about the design. This keyboard features adorable typewriter-inspired round keycaps, giving it a unique and vintage look that stands out from the crowd. But it's not just about looks. With 12 multimedia hotkeys, accessing your music, emails, movies, and more is just a keystroke away. It's all about convenience and efficiency. Now, let's not forget about the accompanying wireless mouse. It's designed to complement the keyboard perfectly, with a matching color scheme and whisper-quiet clicking. Plus, it goes into energy-saving sleep mode after 8 minutes of inactivity to conserve battery life. Compatibility is key, and this combo doesn't disappoint. Whether you're using Windows or Mac, desktop or laptop, this wireless keyboard and mouse will have you covered. And let's talk about comfort. The ergonomic design of the keyboard ensures a comfortable typing experience, while the round keycaps provide a satisfying tactile feedback with each press. And did I mention the ease of setup? With plug-and-play functionality and a 35-foot working range, you'll be up and running in no time. In summary, the wireless keyboard by KOOTOP is not only stylish but also functional, comfortable, and convenient. It's the perfect accessory for anyone looking to add a bit of personality to their workspace. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.